how to chat on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can chat on Pinterest. For that, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Once on the home page, locate and click on the notification icon represented by a message icon. Click on it, then click on Inbox to access your inbox here. Within your inbox, look for the New Messages button. Click on it. In the search bar, type the username or email of the person you want to chat with. Once you have entered the username, you will see the search results for that username. Click on the desired result. A check mark will appear next to the selected username. Click on the next button at the top. You will be directed to the page where you can send messages to that person. Type your message and initiate a conversation. And that's it, you have successfully learned how to chat on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.